Hello everyone. Welcome to Lify Life. After death, the activity of zombie genes intensifies in the human brain. Some brain cells are known to remain alive for some time after a person's heart stops. In a new study published in Scientific Reports, scientists have shown that the activity of some of them even increases during the day. What the scientists did. Scientists from the University of Illinois examined fresh brain tissue from people who had been removed during epilepsy surgery. During such operations, parts of the brain that are responsible for the onset of an attack are removed. In the experiment, the scientists left brain tissue samples at room temperature for up to 24 hours. During this time, they periodically checked the activity of the cells of these tissues and their genes. What scientists discovered. Scientists compared the activity of different types of genes. The first group is the housekeeping genes, which are responsible for the basic functions of cells. They are interesting because their activity, expression, in contrast to the activity of other genes, is almost the same in all body tissues. After brain death, their expression remained at a constant level for the entire 24 hours. The second group of genes is neuronal. They are expressed in neurons and are responsible for providing basic brain functions, memory, thinking. After 12 hours, their activity began to decline. The third group of genes in the press release of the study, scientists conventionally called zombie genes. She was responsible for the work of neuroglia, auxiliary cells of the nervous system. The activity of these genes increased after death within 24 hours of observation. The expression enhancement pattern peaked at 12 hours. In parallel with this, against the background of neuronal degeneration, glial cells increased in size, new processes appeared in them. The fact that glial cells increase after death is not a big surprise, given that they have an anti-inflammatory function and must clean up the brain after damage that occurs, for example, with lack of oxygen and stroke, said Jeffrey Loeb. Jeffrey Loeb, professor at the University of Illinois, co-author of the study. Why scientists need to know this. The data obtained by scientists is not just curious information. These results should influence the methodology of brain research. Most studies assume that all brain processes stop when the heart stops beating, but this is not the case. Our data is needed to interpret studies on human brain tissue. Previously, quantitative indicators of post-mortem changes have not been studied, explained Loeb. Thank you for watching. Make sure you liked the video and subscribe for our new content. Click the bell sign to stay in contact with updates from us. Hope seeing you back on Lify Life.